Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about my game program. First have an overview what's in my program. Now let's start for the explanation of the code. Before explanation I want to tell you about the name of my game. It is Balloon Blast. In which the user have to click on the balloon on different type of balloon, and the different balloons have different points. Specifically different balloons have different points, and it will be added to it, and the total score will be given when the game will be ended. And the game is of 20 seconds, maximum 20 seconds time limit, and there will be three lives, and there are obstacles birds in which we have here mentioned here, in which we have add item in void function. And as we start with the code, we are using Splashit library, we are using Splashit functions, starting with the enum, as we have used enum for storing values of balloon color names that are used later in switch case for returning the matching bitmap. And we have used struct. Following that, the read integer comes. We have made a function read integer. It's an integer type because the user is asked to input the level in the terminal. When he runs the program in the terminal, he will ask to enter the level from 1 to 3. So it will be of integer type, and we have a read integer range. This takes the value and also checks the whether the value is integer or not. If it is not integer, it will ask to re-enter the value from the user. And we have uses void load resources. We have load the resources, different colors given to the balloon, given different music, given different effects to the balloon, and making the game more crazy and better for you. And following, we are using different sprites, two sprites, balloon sprite and bird sprite. These both sprites are of parameter of integer and is used for matching the case and then returning the sprite adjacent to it. And down we are getting the result. We have used void move item for the bird, and after that we are making the bird here. We are getting the values for the bird. It's an obstacle, and after that, ending the above procedures and functions, we end it with the main. In main we will use to call above procedures which we have made. In main I have used different variables of a different type, that includes bitmap, integer and double. Thanks for watching this video. It's all about my program. Thanks.